All right, good evening, everyone. FX3 trimmer, and we have our FX3 blade on there. What we're going to be doing tonight, we're going to be putting the Gold FX 2.0. That's the part number, FX707G2. They make different kinds. They make the rose, the graphite, the DLC, etc. All of them will be adaptable with this. All right, let's get down to it. Take our stock blade, set that aside. We'll take our adapter piece, set that on just like that. Now we have our screws. We'll take our screws that we got with the blade, snug it down a little bit, then go ahead and tighten it down all the way. As you see, the adapter follows the body lines really nice. Give it a real clean look. And sounds just like original. So this bracket is available on the website, EliteClipperMods.com. That's all I got for you tonight. Catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching.